Hi there everyone, David here from Wave Trader. I want to show you this trade I'm currently in on the USD CHF currency pair, and this particular trade I'm actually quite happy with, but I could have done better. However, I just want to show you how I got into this trade, what I saw, and hopefully you learn a thing or two. Okay, so let's go to the monthly chart and have a look at what is going on the USD CHF. So going to the monthly chart, this is what's happening. We have this huge candle that looks something like a hammer, but we can't be too sure until it's completed. Okay, the trend seems to be down, and so far this looks like a rally in price. And let me quickly go to the dollar index and show you what's been going on. And you can see that the dollar has been on a tear going upward for some time now. So this was what I saw, and I knew that the USD CHF still had the capacity to go bullish for some time. All right, so going to the weekly chart here, you can see the same thing happening here, but you can see we've been in a steady decline. Okay, sorry about that. You can see that we are in a downtrend. Okay, so this is just a rally. All right, so however, you can't take these trades when you see them. Let's go to the daily chart and see what we see. And on the daily chart, this was been going on. So for about 2 weeks now, we've had a steady upsurge in price. Okay, we have our golden cross here. We just had the golden cross 2 days back on the EMAs. Okay, and so all you have to do in the situation like this is wait for a dip in price to get in, and that's what I did. So going to the 4-hour chart, you can see that we've had a steady um, increase in the market. All right, and all you have to do is just wait for the areas for the market to dip down, and you just have to get in. I had a lot of opportunities to go into this trade more than once, but I wasn't really watching my charts as I should, which is wrong of me. But this is what's happening so far. So let me quickly go to the 1-hour chart and show you how I got into this trade. So as at the time I came to the chart yesterday, I believe the market was just exactly here in this region where the cursor is. Okay, I'm just going to mark that for you. Somewhere here, right? So when I saw that, and I saw that we were in a steady uptrend, and there was a wave situation here on the 1-hour, I went in based on that. Okay, so this is a dip in an uptrend. You buy the dips and you sell the rallies in a downtrend. So buy the dips in an uptrend, and that's what I did here. Okay, initially I placed my stop here, and when the market moved in my favor and I came to check the charts later, the market was somewhere in this region. I moved my stop to, I believe I allowed the market to do this undulation first before I placed my stop. I moved my stop up, I mean. So you can see that I had another opportunity here to go in with a wave bottom situation again, which of course I did not. I missed. And you can see that the market is fairly close to my target. So going in from here to where the market currently is, you can see that the market has moved 151 pips, and my profit target is actually 172 pips. So trades like this don't occur all the time, but when you get them, you get them. So as long as you can see the wave bottom or the wave top situation, preferably in downtrends and uptrends, you shouldn't have too much problem with banking a lot of pips just like I did. So I hope that this video was instructional to someone. And of course, if you have any question, you are free to send me an email on apexalphawavetrader@gmail.com. I'll be happy to hear from you and to answer all your questions. So thank you very much, and happy trading, guys.